Get the facts about the 2008 National Electrical Code compliance requirements for tamper-resistant and weather-resistant receptacles. We'd like to familiarize you with the devices needed to meet these two important NEC changes. Section 406.11 mandates that all 15 amp and 20 amp 125 volt receptacles in new or renovated construction be tamper-resistant devices. Section 406.8 requires that all non-locking 15 amp and 20 amp 125 volt receptacles in damp or wet locations be weather resistant. Improved safety in residential, commercial, and child center sites is the goal behind these critical changes. The tamper-resistant requirement grew out of a need to provide greater protection for young children in the home. The NEC acted in response to a Consumer Product Safety Commission study that reported allegations of injuries in the home each year to children who attempted to insert foreign objects into receptacles. Tamper-resistant receptacles have a shutter mechanism inside the device that in most instances will not open and allow access to the contacts unless a two-prong plug is inserted. This helps protect kids from electrical shock and provides greater peace of mind for families. Tamper-resistant receptacles have been mandated in pediatric care areas since 2005 and have likely been successful in preventing electrical injuries. TR, or tamper-resistant, is clearly marked on the devices so compliance is visible. Why not use plastic caps or shuttered wall plates instead? Plastic caps can be easily removed, lost, or misplaced. Shuttered wall plates add layers of material between the plug blades and the receptacle contacts, which can cause potential heat rise. UL has withdrawn its listing from shuttered wall plates. Leviton offers tamper-resistant receptacles for every residential and commercial need. Let your customers know tamper-resistant receptacles safeguard children and are easy to retrofit. Outdoors, water and electrical devices can mix and create a potential hazard. To improve safety, the NEC updated Section 406.8. Now, all non-locking 15 amp and 20 amp 125 volt receptacles installed in damp or wet locations must be weather resistant. This mandate addressed concerns that outdoor receptacles are not always protected from water infiltration, low temperatures, UV exposure, and physical damage. Weather-resistant receptacles are easily recognized by WR on the face. They add an extra measure of protection and must be installed with proper covers and gasketing. Leviton offers a broad selection of NEC and UL 498 code-compliant devices and covers. They're constructed with corrosion-resistant contacts, UV-resistant faces, and are back and side wired for easier installation. Note that weather-resistant covers with a NEMA Type 3R rating are required in damp locations subject to moderate degrees of moisture. In wet locations, while-in-use covers that completely enclose the receptacles when plugs are inserted are mandatory. Weather-resistant devices should be utilized in all outdoor applications, from backyards to boatyards and marinas, where they provide longer service life. Demand for tamper-resistant and weather-resistant receptacles will increase as more states adopt the 2008 NEC code and more customers become aware of their benefits. For exceptions and special applications, please consult the 2008 NEC code. This information is provided to you by the safety-minded professionals at Leviton. Thanks for viewing.